Wait, what's your name again?
Ilka.
Ilka.
Yeah.
Well, what does that mean?
It means my parents like the sound of it.
How did you figure that out?
It's like a very complicated.
How did you know?
Dad, I can open it off that timber.
Man, you're doing magic all day and he fucking
How would you open the bottle well?
Adios!
How would you open the bottle well?
Suéltala, suéltala, güey, estoy aquí, güey. Me está agarrando el jefe
Igual
también.
estoy aquí, estoy aquí pescando.
You're joking.
Jesse!
What the?
Get out of here! No!
Oh, I love that.
Hermano,
Bueno, papi.
¿cómo te llamas?
Alfonso, carnal, ¿qué
Alfo-
pex?
¿Cómo, like,
Ah, va.
difícil?
Ahí. Ándale. Suelta los brazos. Levanta el otro. ¿No? Mira, te voy a subir a agarrar los pies. Suéltate, güey. Suéltate. Suelta la otra mano. Suelta la mano.
No puedo.
Suéltala. Ahí está. Ya está todo mi peso. Suelta las manillas. Suéltala, no pasa nada, güey. Estoy encima de tus pies, güey. Suéltate.
Suéltate. Suéltate
Suéltala, güey. Estoy aquí, güey. Me está agarrando el jefe
Igual
también.
estoy aquí, estoy aquí pescando.
¿Ya?
Está bien. Fuck, mierda. Semana. ¿Tú llamas?
Alfonso.
Alfonso.
Poncho.
Poncho, sí. Gracias, hermano.
Órale, pues, cuídate.
Gracias. Sí.
Órale.
Okay, that was scary, bro. I thought I was gonna fucking die. But obviously I didn't. I'm alive. Woo! I'm gonna go get electrolytes because I'm fucking thirsty, boy.
But do you know that one is sweet, right?
This?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
He says here, sweet.
Dulce means sweet.
Yes. It's
Can-
not,
do I have to
it's
cook-
not a regular one.
It's not a regular one. Is this
No,
spicy?
Because tahin, the regular one, the one with the green cut, that is the spicy one. This is the sweet one.
The chances of me picking this one. No?
No, porque ese.
That was spicy. What do you mean?
Do you want to put it into there?
No.
Bada bing, bada boom.
What's the story?
Oh yeah, sorry, the bed. It's if you come back from a late night out and you can't be able to go up your stairs, then you just go there.
Ah, that's handy.
Hi James, so you're getting a
Skin fat.
not a bowl cut? This is boring then. Fucking hell, dead. Do you want to write anything in the hair, like a name or anything? Or?
You can write in the back of the head and go fuck yourself.
No way, she's got them.
Alright, go on.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
These are really cool cards, by the way. They're all.
Oh yeah, you got like designs on them.
Yeah.
Okay, sick.
These are fucking
fucking
Kama
hell.
Sutra cards or something, are
Greek lovers.
This is like a. This fucking dicks on it.
Jesus Christ,
Great.
he is a massive cock.
Yeah, that's a massive. Just think of the. If it's a number or Jack, Queen, King. Just think of it. Nice. It's an 8. It's an 8 of diamonds. You can see.
Yeah, my answer.
Yeah, no, she's just like, no.
It's just
I was hoping to bluff it.
Oh, no, you can't play. It's impossible.
Yeah.
For fuck's
Thanks so
sake.
much.
Saucy.
This is my favorite. We're just feeding the dicks.
I have to say that would be a personal favourite normally.
Same.
Gosh, how'd you end up here?
I
another story.
Oh no, literally, I just came here a month ago for my birthday. Yeah, I got you.
Not the front piece, but the around here. I think.
This bit here, on the right hand side.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Oh, sorry. Okay, one sec. I'm just gonna film this from behind.
No, I meant, wait, no, like just a picture of the things that are happening because I'm.
Yeah, take one.
I'm doing a polar steps, and my family would.
What does that mean?
Polar steps.
Wait, what's
Oh,
your
yeah.
name again?
Ilke.
Ilka.
Yeah.
Well, what does that mean?
And it means my parents like the sound of it.
You know all the times you know I've never heard an answer like this in my life. Go on.
I mean, there's never. Okay, here we go.
Do I pose here?
I mean,
Wait, what do you want me to do?
I don't know. It's perfect. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, neither are you.
You're doing it. I mean, why are you wearing a hat? That's so weird. You couldn't know that for
Sorry, I haven't to wear it that way because otherwise, if it's sunny, the back of my head will come home the colour of the fucking jacket. So.
And then rotate again. Nice one. And bend over.
You wish.
So, I cut my mate Jamie's hair. And then Ilka came along and she was like, are you cutting hair? I was like, yeah. And she goes, can I get a haircut? I was like, yeah, but I'm not the best hairdresser, which some of you know, so let's just see. Yeah, tell me.
What I have.
Did you just...
That
Yeah.
part. I think.
Sorry, did you... I would have been like, why did you walk all the way around me?
So I would be sure that this. I think it's not forming a straight line, but that's something I can't really tell. So
Okay.
I trust you now. It's fine. I believe it. It's good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Well, she's lying, she fucking hates it, but... One sec. Alright, obviously I'm not a professional hairdresser, but she does... It doesn't matter. It doesn't fucking matter. Nice meeting you. Yeah, likewise. Yeah. I hope that you like the haircut.
I do.
Oh, sweet. I needed a chopstick as well. Dope. Gracias. Dope, bro. Should put on now or after? Banging.
Well, that's why I have to give you the intro. Alright, so this is really the only part of the original lake.
Oh! Mira
Amigo.
And he's...
Does anyone want a mariachi?
Oh, here you go.
Anyone know a mariachi song?
Miami.
They want to hear?
What the fuck is going on, bro?
That's the song.
What the fuck is going on? This is the Shoshi Call. I don't know how to fucking pronounce it, but we're on a boat. Oh, here we fucking go. Is this copyright? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's brilliant. Oh no. Come on. Fucking hell, bro. That's what round one. Oh, Jesus Christ, mate. Titanic Part 2.
I want them to stop.
See?
Right, if they're Ramos, I'll ram it up that young one's arse there in 1 second. Alright, it's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke. I didn't know your camera angle was that wide.
Yeah, it's,
yeah,
but you know what's wider? Alright lads, I'm off. My house is here. I'm done. No one else.
See you later, boys. Bye, man.
Alcohol.
What's the difference between 3 cops and a joke? I'm pretty sure that girl over there can't take a joke. Yeah. Sorry, sorry. Oh yeah, and they put her on the phone.
Oh, Danny.
Wait, I got the bigger video.
Here. Oh, mine went all up. You had a good shot. Hey!
I left all the nuts straight off.
It went inside the...
That went like a fucking shuriken.
It went inside the pit.
The chickens are gonna look that one.
Oh, that was so funny. That killed me. Jamie, that throw was too good.
Do you have that on video?
Yeah, I got it.
Fuck you. You mank fuck. I know you have your phone, right?
He's seen it so many times, he knows how to perform it. I swear.
Why don't you do it, man?
No.
You sort of just tell us.
23.
Certain Tom and Kim Kardashian, yeah?
Yeah.
But 23 says what?
Julia Roberts.
What?
Open your phone.
Actually.
Open your phone.
What the fuck? Hey!
What the fuck?
Right,
We'll have to look at
that way. Yeah, look at it. Show us it. Show me.
If I put the 2 diamonds on the bottom, where's the heart? Did you feel that? Just say,
Yeah, I
Ross,
felt
you're good
something,
looking.
yeah, I felt something.
Right, you did, yeah?
Yeah.
Turn them both over.
Let me
No way. I'm gonna throw this and you're gonna catch it. You ready?
Yeah.
He believes he caught it.
It better not be fucking there. It better not.
No, show us. No, I do magic, not fucking miracles. Jesus Christ. No, I'm joking. Close your hand and throw it behind you. And catch it on the other hand. Fuck, that was good. Let's see. What the?
Get out of here! No!
Oh, I love that!
No!
Oh, Jamie, the dog! The fucking dog! Yeah, you got. Oh, I missed it.
Go on.
He won.
In the mouth.
Like I'm sound like this.
We're going to kick the ball back. The dog. You're going to hit the dog. Watch out for the dog.
Hey, he's got it.
Oh, Jazz, I nearly fucking.
Yeah? Yeah, bro, there is. In the water.
Yeah, whip it out, kid.
Oh, we've got Jamie on board. What, Jamie over here? He's a fucking sailor. He's got his sailor's license.
This year's I've been at 5 minutes. I'm getting all fucking more trouble than I know what.
No, gracias.
Fucking hell.
Yes, thank you.
Follow the roadmap, mate.
Fucking amateurs.
Oh, hello, Reggie Moody. Hello, Reggie. Hey, give it up. Hello, Reggie Moody. There you go. You're a good doggy. Oh, they can't come past the line. Oh, fucking hell, that killed me, mate. I feel like there's so much going on, like magic, drinking, dogs, food, both. I can't.
And I've some fucking traffic jam along a canal.
The traffic jam on the A4.
Like a 3-hour train journey.
Hey!
Give it to her big and send her home early, as they say.
What the webbies?
God, give it to her big and send her home early.
Oh, I get it now. Right, lads, I landed in Peru, and
Will I make a javelin out of pole that they used to steer the ball? Just...
throw it. Oh no, wait. So, do you want to throw it then?
Yeah, alright. Cheers, boys. No,
Jamie's a fucking nutter, mate. I just met this guy like 2 days ago, but he's already trying to get. He's recruiting.
Technically, no.
He's recruited. He's done it. He's recruited.
you missed it. Started talking to her, she goes, are you Irish? You're giving me Irish vibes.
Yeah, he's over here. Oh, here he is. Yeah. I don't know why I went. I don't know why I pointed to him. Do you have a driver? I pointed straight to him. I don't know. I thought they were the driver for some reason. I thought I was in the back of a car. The driver's in the right. Look at his fucking plan. Jamie's on.
This is a boat. I know a plan. She's on her own. I'm just being very inclusive and being very inviting.
He's recruiting for something else.
I'm just being a fucking gentleman, right? An Irish gentleman is very hard to come by.
That's what she.
Oh, the whole lot of that. Show us that. The whole lot of that. 1.2 litres.
There's just no need. You don't need to make the bottle.
He's got more alcohol in the system than water.
No,
96% water.
his blood is now 4.5%.
How did you figure that out?
It's like a very
I can open it off that timber.
Man, you're doing magic all day and he fucking
How do you open the bottle? How do you open the bottle? How the fuck did you transfer that X on his fucking hand?
She called me when I ordered the hat. She goes, "Oh,
Who's she?
the person online making the hats." So I'll order it. I said, she goes, "Do you
You
want
ordered
to
the hat by ringing someone.
Yeah, to make a custom one."
Okay.
And then she goes, and then she goes, "Do you want it tailor made?" I was like, "Yeah." She goes, "Tailor made?" I said, "Yeah." I didn't realise you wanted to get your own.
I thought you were like a Taylor Swift fan or something.
No, I'm joking, it's fake. I brought it from a golf site. Sorry, that story's good though, isn't it?
That's a good story.
Oh, cheers.
I was like, you are the most random cunt I've ever met.
Well, I studied abroad there.
Okay.
My family's
Do you have
Irish.
Instagram?
Let's go, geese.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Do you like that? Oh, yes! Yes! Right, I'm going to part the river now.
You're gonna what?
I'm going to part the river.
No, it's right.
So I can't remember the name of the night we went to. They wouldn't let in.
Sí, gracias.
How we get now? I know, what do you mean?
All right.
Right, let's go.
Yeah, so watch.
No way.
So I will throw this and you will catch it.
Okay.
Okay, Spella. Wait. Throw it behind you.
Throw it behind you.
Really fast.
Okay.
And catch it on the other hand.
Oh my god, what the fuck? No way.
Fucking dynamo.
Wait, can I show you the one?
Absolute Houdini.
Do not ever talk to me again.
Wait, can I show you?
cunt.
What is it?
The ace. Wait, watch. Keep your hands in. Okay, watch. I already had that, watch. Shuffle it.
I just said 10 of diamonds.
What the actual fuck?
Sí, mira. Yeah.
How in the fuck does this man do this?
Hey, are you recording? Mexico is so fun. Mexico is great, and you have to go in Oaxaca in the Day of the Muertos, November 1st. Yeah, you have to go there. I'm just giving hunger being here, but I like being here, and I'm so fucking wrong as fuck. So cool.